Uncovering history, protecting identity.
Five.
Magaalada Berbera.
Berbera, a historic port city on the Gulf of Aden, is renowned for its blend of natural beauty and growing modernity. With its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, Berbera has historical significance as a trading hub and, in recent years, has experienced notable development, including infrastructure improvements and investments in its port, positioning it as a key gateway for regional trade.
4.
Nestled in the picturesque highlands of Aden, Borama boasts a striking natural beauty with its verdant landscapes and pleasant climate. Over the years, it has developed into a vibrant hub of education and commerce, home to prominent institutions like Mood University. The town's harmonious blend of tradition and modernity make Borama a beacon of hope and inspiration in the Horn of Africa.
Three.
Al, a coastal town of captivating natural beauty and historical significance. Nestled between rugged cliffs and the sparkling waters of the Indian Ocean, Al boasts stunning beaches and serene landscapes that reflect its tranquil charm. In recent years, Al has seen significant development, with improved infrastructure, educational institutions, and local initiatives aimed at promoting sustainable fishing and tourism.
Two.
Zeila Saylac is arguably the most historic coastal city in the Horn of Africa. It played a pivotal role in the development of ancient trade networks linking Africa, the Arabian Peninsula, and beyond. However, when it comes to beauty, its serene archipelagos stand out. 1. Saad al-Din, named after 14th century Sultan of Ifak. 2. Ebat Island with its diverse coral reefs. 3. Ras Sion, close to the Djibouti border, a haven for marine life. The city's architectural landscape is adorned with ancient structures, including the Masjid al-Qiblatain, a mosque renowned for its two mihrabs, reflecting Zeila's deep-rooted Islamic history. The surrounding landscapes, characterized by arid terrains and mangrove forests, offer a serene environment for exploration.
1.
Bandar Murcaanyo is composed of cream-colored limestone, sandstone, shale, and quartz, creating a stunning backdrop against the azure waters. Historically, Murcaanyo was a significant port town, engaging in trade with regional ports like Makala, Jeddah, and Mumbai. It remains a testament to Somali cultural heritage with historic buildings near the beach, natural beauty offering a serene environment with its beaches and mountainous landscapes. And for its outstanding natural beauty, takes the crown in this top 5 list as the most beautiful northern city of Somalia. What are your thoughts on this top 5 list? Let us know in the comments below.
جزاك الله خيرا.
Subscribe for more.